Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about how to add health insurance card to Apple Wallet. As you all know, you can't add any external card other than debit, credit or transit card, drivers or state ID directly from the Apple Wallet itself. But don't worry, in this video we'll help you find a solution for it. Just follow these easy steps. Step 1. Go to App Store and search for Card Manager. Install the app. After installing, open the app. You'll be able to see 4 menus named Gift, Loyalty, Membership and All. Click on All. Now press Add Card. Select Store Card. Now search for health insurance. Click on it. Now you can scan your card via the front camera or enter your card details manually. Depending on your card type, once you save it, you can add it directly to your Apple Wallet.